let us take an example here, like 4x plus 5y plus 3. Okay, this is an algebraic expression. Now we will look to some important keywords, that is terms. Second, we will go to the coefficient. Okay. Third is variables, and fourth we will look to constant. Okay. Terms. What is terms here? You can see this expression. This is terms. 4x, 5y, 3. This is term. Okay. 4x, 5y, 3. So here in this expression there is 3 terms. What is coefficient here? Now to the term 4x. Okay. In 4x, we can just divide this into 4 into x. So 4x, 4 is the coefficient of this term, and what is x here? This is variable. Okay. Same case, if we take here term 5y, what we can say here? 5 and y. 5 is coefficient. Okay. Y is variable. So you have got this. Now what is constant? Constant is 3. Constant is 3 here in this expression, algebraic expression, means the any term which don't have variable, or you can say that the power of the variable is 0, is constant. Now we will go to next term, that is polynomials. Okay. Polynomials. This can also be called as one variable polynomials. This can also be called as univariate polynomials. Okay, ये टर्म ही बता रहा है, मैं इजी टर्म में और बोलूंगी, ये टर्म ही बता रहा है इसका मतलब क्या है. यूनिवेरिएट मीन्स दैट which contains only one variable. Univariate, that means single variable. If I am taking expression which contains variable x, and throughout all terms of that expression will contain x. If the expression contains y, then throughout the whole expression all terms will contain y. That is called univariate polynomials. Okay. So any algebraic expression that involves only one variable is univariate polynomials, or you can call it as, you can even say it as one variable polynomials or simple polynomials. Okay. Now next term, that is degree. Degree of polynomials. Degree of polynomials. What is degree of polynomials? It is simply highest power of any expression any expression, expression means algebraic expression, any algebraic expression you are taking, whatever the highest power is the degree of polynomial. Like example we can take, such as if we take like 5x square plus 3. Here what it is, you can see variable is x. Here variable, there is no variable, but still we can write with variable. We'll discuss this further, but you can see the here simply that here one variable is here and the power is 2. Here no variable, that means there is no power here. So it means that the highest power is 2 here. So degree of this polynomial is 2. If we take like 7y cube plus 4y, then you can see that the power here is 3. Here no power is here. It means that the power is here 1. That means the highest power is among 3 and 1 is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. We will discuss this more further with the next term, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? Highest power of the variable is 3. Let us take one example here, like 5y cube plus y square plus 2y minus 1. So let us take, we'll write the power of each term. Power of each term. This is 5y cube. So power is here 3. This term, the power is 2. This term 2y, y. So here the power is 1. Here no variable is written, that means the power is 0. How? I will explain you. Any variable, like here the variable is y. So let us take y. Any variable or any number with the power 0 is equal to 1. This is the property of indices, or you can take exponent. So you have studied this earlier. So any number with the power 0 is equal to 1. So in this case we can say here that a variable is there with the power 0, so the power variable is not written here. So here the power is 0. Among this all, the highest one is 3. So this is the simply the degree of this polynomial, and this polynomial, that means this algebraic expression, will be called as cubic polynomial. Next we'll come to quadratic polynomials. So quadratic polynomial, simply again the highest power is 2, like x square plus 5x plus 1. Here again we will write the power. See, this term x square, the power is 2. Here the term is 5x. Simply the power is 1. Here this is constant term with no variable, that means the power is 0. Among all these 3 power, the highest one is 2. Right? So this degree, here the degree of this polynomial is 2, and this expression will be called as quadratic polynomial. Next, third one, the chapter name itself is there, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear. What's the meaning of linear? Means 1. Meaning of linear is 1. So here with the meaning of linear we can say this, that the highest power of this polynomial is 1. So let us take an example here, like 3z plus 7. This term 3z, there is power with 1. Here this is constant term, that means the power of the variable is 0. So you can see among these two, 1 and 0, the highest one is 1. So this expression 3z plus 7 is linear polynomial. Okay. Lastly, we will see constant polynomial here. Constant polynomials. Here simply constant, that means the highest power is 0. If any expression, like example I say just 8, means that here the power is 0. How? We can write 8 with any variable like x raised to 0, right? Because x raised to 0 value is 1, so 1 into 8 is 8. So simply any number will be called as constant polynomial with the power high, that means the power is 0. So any number, any constant term, if it is written, that is constant polynomial. Okay. So I think so you have understood with this all types of polynomial, and the highest power which is called as the degree of the polynomial. Thank you. We'll